Hello my friends, and thank you for visiting my channel. As some of you already know, my name is Adrian, I'm a Romanian videographer and a motorcycle enthusiast, and most of my videos are related to riding experience on a Suzuki V-Strom 250 here in Transylvania, Romania. In this video I took a ride on some random roads and trails very close to my hometown. A perfect excuse to test a DJI Osmo Action Camera, because I want to do this for a long time. This is not a technical review or comparison, in fact it is a very short exposure of personal impressions regarding the camera. For a long time, as I said, I want to test the DJI Osmo Action Camera just to see if my GoPro 7 Black is holding up, being the best action camera for the money. Without a spoiler alert, for my vlogs I use mainly the GoPro 7 Black and sometimes the GoPro 8 Black. I had also the GoPro 9 and now I have the 10 Black, but for other projects, not for motovlogging. For motovlogging I decided to stick with my old cheap GoPro 7 Black. Osmo Action is a very good action camera which has some interesting features like the front-facing screen, the high bitrate in 4K video, the rock-steady stabilization and a better user experience due to the menu system and the touchscreen responsiveness. But with all of this, after a few days of use, I was not convinced. In fact, I saw only the downsides of the camera, and the most obvious one was the lack of wider angle lens. Sometimes you have to alternate the perspective of your video, and for that the GoPro is better with linear, wide and super wide field of view. I could add other reasons like the strange audio processing or the missing GPS function, which I don't use very often, but it is good to have it. But even with all of this, I ended up with a personal conclusion. It is not important what brand of camera do you have on your helmet when you are going out for a ride. It is much more important to enjoy your ride and to come back in one piece. And if you have a camera with you to create memories for yourself or to share with others, with friends, let's say, this is a bonus. And this is my bonus for you. Please enjoy the video and stay safe. Știu unde e, în pădure. Era camera.